Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you slept. Sounds too good to be true, right? What if I told you there's a business model that lets you design products, never touch any inventory, and still earn income every time someone buys? It is called print on demand. And by the time you finish watching this video, you will know exactly how it works, how to start from scratch, and how to avoid the mistakes that make most beginners quit before they see a single sale. And stick around, because near the end, I am going to share a powerful twist that can instantly set you apart from thousands of other sellers. Number 1. What print on demand actually is. Print on demand, or POD, is a business model where you create a design, upload it to a platform, and they handle everything else: printing, packaging, and shipping. You never buy products in bulk. You only pay when someone places an order. Think of it like running your own custom store without ever touching the products. For example, you could design a t-shirt with a funny cat quote. A customer orders it. The pod company prints the design on the shirt and ships it directly to them. You keep the profit without lifting a finger. Number 2. Why beginners love it. Print on demand is beginner-friendly because you don't need a big budget to start. There is no need to rent storage space or risk spending thousands of dollars on products that might never sell. Your main investment is your time, creativity, and maybe a small amount for design tools or ads. Plus, you can run it from anywhere: your bedroom, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. Number 3. Choosing the right platform. Not all pod platforms are created equal. Some of the most popular options are Printful, Printify, Teespring, Redbubble, and Merch by Amazon. If you want total control over your brand, you might connect Printful or Printify with your own Shopify store. If you prefer marketplaces that bring traffic to you, Redbubble or Merch by Amazon could be better. For example, Merch by Amazon puts your products in front of millions of Amazon customers without you paying for ads, but the competition is tough. Number 4. Picking products that sell. You can sell almost anything with Pod: t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, posters, pillows, stickers, and more. But here's the catch. Not all products sell equally well. Beginner sellers often start with t-shirts because they are popular and easy to design. However, mugs and stickers can be gold mines because they are cheap to produce and people often buy them as gifts. A good trick is to check best-selling items on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble to spot trends. Number 5. Finding your niche. This is where many beginners fail. If you make a random t-shirt with Happy Monday written on it, it will probably get lost in the crowd. Instead, target a specific audience. For example, rather than just dog lovers, focus on pug owners or golden retriever rescue supporters. Niches make your designs more relatable, which increases the chance that people will buy. Think of it like fishing. The smaller the pond, the easier it is to catch something. Number 6. Creating winning designs. You do not have to be a professional artist. Free tools like Canva or Photopea can help you create simple but appealing designs. If you are not confident in your design skills, you can hire a freelancer from Fiverr for as little as $10 per design. Here is the key. Designs should be clear, readable, and connect emotionally with your target audience. For example, a mug that says "Coffee and Corgis" with a cute illustration will immediately catch a corgi lover's eye. Number 7. Setting up your store. If you use marketplaces like Redbubble, you simply create an account and upload your designs. If you want your own store, platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce make it possible. A personal store gives you control over branding, pricing, and customer experience. However, it also means you will need to drive your own traffic. Number 8. Pricing for profit. This is where beginners often make mistakes. If your pod supplier charges $12 for a t-shirt and you sell it for $14, you are only making $2 per sale. That is not enough to cover marketing or time spent. A common strategy is to aim for at least 30 to 50% profit margin. For example, if a mug costs you $8, you might price it at $16. Remember, people pay more for unique designs that speak to them emotionally. Number 9. Getting traffic to your products. Your designs will not sell if nobody sees them. You can use free methods like social media posts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest boards to showcase your products. Or you can use paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google to target specific audiences. Some sellers post lifestyle photos of people using their products, while others create funny or emotional short videos. The more people connect with your brand, the more likely they are to buy. Number 10. Using trends without being generic. Trends can help you sell fast, but you need to be creative. If pumpkin spice season is trending, instead of just making a plain pumpkin mug, you could make pumpkin spice and poodles for dog lovers or pumpkin spice CEO for business humor fans. This way, you tap into a trend while still targeting a niche. Number 11. Leveraging seasonal sales. Certain times of the year are perfect for pod. Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and even niche events like National Cat Day. People are actively looking for gifts during these times. For example, a custom Best Dog Dad Ever mug around Father's Day can sell extremely well. Plan your designs at least 1 month before the event so your store is ready when the buying rush starts. Number 12. Avoiding common beginner mistakes. Do not upload hundreds of designs without a clear niche. Do not copy other people's designs. It can get your account banned. Do not give up too soon. Pod is not usually an overnight success. Some sellers take months before seeing consistent sales, but the payoff can be worth it. Number 13. Scaling your business. Once you have a few winning designs, do not stop there. Create variations, different colors, styles, or product types. If a design sells well on a t-shirt, try it on mugs, tote bags, or hoodies. You can also run targeted ads to reach more buyers in your niche. Some pod sellers even partner with influencers who promote their products in exchange for a commission. Number 14. The secret twist that makes you stand out. Here's the part one promised earlier. The twist that can give you an edge over thousands of competitors. Instead of only selling designs you make, offer personalized products. Let customers add their name, pet's name, or a custom message. People love buying something that feels unique to them, and they are willing to pay more for it. For example, Sarah's coffee mug, with a cartoon of her favorite dog breed, can sell for much more than a generic mug. Personalization also makes your products more giftable, which means higher sales during holidays. Number 15. Building a brand people remember. Selling products is good, but building a brand is better. A brand makes customers come back for more, instead of buying once and disappearing. You can build a brand by having a consistent style, tone, and personality across your designs and store. For example, if your store is all about funny cat products, your logo, color theme, and product descriptions should all reflect that playful vibe. Over time, people will remember your store whenever they think about that theme. Number 16. Writing product descriptions that sell. Your design catches the eye, but your description convinces the customer to buy. Avoid boring descriptions like white t-shirt with print. Instead, paint a picture. Example: this cozy cotton tee is perfect for lazy Sundays with your corgi. Featuring a playful design that will make fellow dog lovers smile. Good descriptions connect emotionally and highlight benefits, not just features. Number 17. Using high-quality mockups. A great design can still fail if your product photos look dull or fake. Most pod platforms offer mockup generators, but you can make them more realistic using lifestyle images. For example, instead of just showing a plain mug, show it on a kitchen table with steam rising from fresh coffee. This helps buyers imagine owning and using the product. Number 18. Collecting customer reviews. Positive reviews are powerful sales tools. People trust other customers more than they trust you. After a sale, follow up politely and ask for feedback. If your platform allows it, display reviews prominently on your product pages. Even a short review like great quality and fast shipping can help convince future buyers. Number 19. Tracking your best sellers. Do not guess which products are working. Track them. Most platforms give you analytics showing which designs get the most views and sales. Once you find a bestseller, focus more on it. Create variations, advertise it, and make related products. If a certain style works, repeat that style in other niches. Number 20. Understanding production and shipping times. One of the fastest ways to lose customers is by delivering late. Pod companies handle shipping for you, but each has different turnaround times. Some products might ship in 2 days, others in 7 days. During holidays, production can slow down, so set customer expectations clearly in your store. Number 21. Protecting your designs. If you create a unique design, you may want to protect it from being stolen. You can register your designs with copyright, or at least keep original files and proof of creation. While you cannot stop all copying, having proof can help if you need to take action. Number 22. Testing before committing instead of uploading. 50 designs at once. Start small. Test 5 to 10 designs. See which ones get attention, then expand. Testing helps you avoid wasting time on designs that no one wants. Number 23. Expanding to multiple platforms. Do not rely on only one platform. A design that sells poorly on Redbubble might perform well on Etsy. Spreading your products across multiple platforms increases your chances of finding the right audience. You can use tools like PodConnect or Placeit to speed up uploading to multiple sites. Number 24. Using email marketing for repeat buyers. Once you make a sale, you can build a relationship with that customer. Offer a small discount for signing up to your email list. Then send updates about new designs, seasonal sales, or personalized recommendations. Email marketing is a low-cost way to get repeat orders without relying only on ads. So, if you start small, focus on a niche, create designs that connect emotionally, and use smart marketing, print on demand can be a low-risk, highly rewarding way to make money online. Now, I am curious, if you started a print on demand store today, what product would you design first?